So one of my subscriber asked this unique question. I think you might be thinking of the same question. What is the question? That I'm having only one laptop and we are having more than one people like my brother, sister and any siblings and friends are taking part with the same laptop. Does it come under multiple ID or am I sure that I will get the swag? So can you please cover my doubt in the upcoming video? So yes, we are covering your doubt. Do not worry and it will help other people also. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, do like the video and do hype the video. Coming to your topic directly that you are saying that you are having a single laptop. We understand that not a single family can have more than one laptops. If you are having, then you are grateful. But having a laptop is also a boon to many people. So if you are having a single laptop, can you take part? Can you and your family members, suppose it can be include, you can include here your friends, family members, anyone. Just saying two people are participating or two or more people are participating with single laptop. It will become clear. So the answer is yes. You can take part with how many accounts you have, how many people are there in the participants program. Like you can participate with more than 100 people. There is no limit for participation in the arcade program, right? So the problem comes here. So the people were asking that will it count as multiple accounts? So the answer is no. As genuine users are participating in the arcade, like you are not creating your name. For example, your name is Yash. Okay, your name is Yash and you are creating multiple accounts like Yash K, then Yash G, wait a second, Yash G, and similarly you are just adding any initials like any initials or any surname, you are just updating it and creating more than two accounts or five accounts. Okay, in that case you won't be eligible for the price counter. But if you are Yash and your sister is Yashika, you both are participating, or someone else like your brother is also participating, like Moon is your brother, is also taking part in this arcade program, then you will be eligible for the prizes. Even though you have a single laptop, do not panic at all. You will be eligible for the prizes, swags mail and insider email, and you can easily complete the arcade game. Now here is a catch that you need to understand. Many people, what they do, they use the same desktop and they have alternative monitor. So they try to connect the monitors and complete the lab simultaneously. Like here, if you see, we are in the Chrome, someone will open the Edge, some will open Firefox, Brave, and they'll complete the labs. So this thing you have to avoid. One lab, one person at a time. So if Yash is doing the labs, Yashika will take rest. Okay. And if Yashika is doing lab, Yash will take rest. This is a common example to make you understand with an example. In short, is there any problem if you participate, more than one people participate with a single laptop or single device, whatever you are having, no issue. Problem will come if they identify. See, sometimes what happens due to technical glitch, they may identify as you as a single user. In that case, they may ask you to appeal. Okay, like we have appeal section, so they will ask you to appeal that you are a genuine user. In that case, they will ask you for a government ID. Say government ID will be asked, not college ID, government ID like Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID. They'll be asking that too in rare case. 99.9% nothing will happen. But if something goes wrong, okay, then they will be asking you government ID. You have to simply provide them and your ban will be lifted and you'll be getting the swags. So in short, this video is related to the people who are participating with single laptop. Do not worry, you can participate. There is no issue. You'll be getting the swags, you'll be getting the prizes. If you are putting hard work, your hard work won't go in vain. Coming to the solutions, if you want to complete the arcade challenges, you can see the playlist is here in the description box of this video. Make sure to watch all the videos related doubts. If you have any other doubts, you can simply watch the detailed guide, restart guide, want to share credits, want to know about Arcade Facilitator program. All the resources are here. If you want to complete Arcade games, solutions you need, you can come to the playlist. Here you can see all the solutions supplied. So this was a quick update video. If you still have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.